Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create AI music in 11 Labs step by step. So whether you need background tracks for your YouTube account, for podcasts or creative projects, 11 Labs makes it super easy for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for 11labs.io. Now, if you already have an account on 11 Labs, you need to basically log in into your account. But if you don't have it, you need to create one. Now here on the home page, you will see the fourth option of music. So you can either click over here or you can also hover over to the left hand section. Here in the products tab, you will see the option of music. So whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this page. Now over here, you need to click on this number and you can select the number of variants for this particular music that you are going to generate. By default, it will be 2, but you can select 3 and 4 as well. After that, we have the option of duration. So you can click on the option of duration and select whether you want the audio for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. You can also select the custom duration as well. Now this is the section where you need to start typing or start giving it the description or the prompt. For the prompt, you can seek help from ChatGPT. So here you can type something like this. So now you can also add whether you want it instrumental only or vocals. Now once you are done with it, click on the option of generate and wait for some time until it gives you the results. Now if it is close but not quite right, you can always tweak your prompt by changing the instruments or the moods. So here you can retry and you can add your new prompt over here and click on the option of generate. Now you can click on this play option in order to listen to the sound, and if you like it, you can click this download button right next to it in order to download it in the form of MP3 or MAV format. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.